There's two ways to do this. I'll tell you how I do it, and I'll tell you the other way to do it. I'll start with the other way to do it. You could do a one-time, what we call a flow project, right? So you work with someone, maybe you set up 4, 6, 8 core flows. They'll pay you 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 10,000, right? Whatever it is that you negotiate. And then you can charge them ongoing for campaigns. That's one thing that you could do. I don't love to do that because, say, for example, you set up all the automations and flows, and you're only doing campaigns, right? If they feel like they don't want as many campaigns, then they're going to negotiate the rate that they want to pay you. So I like to do them in tandem, where we basically charge based off the number of emails per month. So maybe we're charging $5,000 a month or $7,000 a month for 10 emails a month, 15 emails a month, 20 emails a month. And the number of those emails that go towards campaigns and flows differs based on the month. And some months will have maybe 75% of the emails going towards campaigns because it's Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And then 25% of the emails are going to be dedicated towards building out the automations, the welcome series, the abandoned flows, the post-purchase, right? So I like to do them in tandem. And when you do it that way, depending on the given week, depending on the given month, depending on the given quarter, you could finish some of the core flows within a quarter. You could finish some of the core flows within 6 months. The timetable kind of depends because you're kind of working with the client to figure out what is the ideal mix each month. So it's easier to charge the larger retainers for a longer period of time by doing them both in tandem. And you're also selling the service of optimizing and A/B testing and iterating on the campaign or on the campaigns that you build on the automation side and the campaigns that you build on the campaign side, right? If you do a one-time flow project, those are going to go stale in 6, 8, 10, 12 months. So maybe you could do a refresh project, but you're only going to be able to charge a couple more $1,000s. So long-winded, I like to do both in tandem.